Hello, I want to talk to you today about a big mistake I've seen a lot of expert capital raisers make recently. It's a mistake of taking success with a direct investment model where there's no fund and turning it into a fund model. The mistake is that they go to their current investors who already like them, trust them, and invest with them and say, hey, would you be open to coming in my fund? And they say, yes, sure, because they've already invested in 4 of their deals. But people who have not invested with them before may not want to come into the fund. It's going to be harder. So they're trading one headache for another. They're trading the headache of their own pain of running around and finding the investors they need to close a deal in 6 to 8 weeks in the independent sponsor model for the headache of promising a blind pool to investors within a fund model. And I would always rather choose the headache that's more hard work for me than the thing which is going to really stop investors from considering a deal. And I've seen people who have raised $300 million in direct investments not be able to raise a $10 million fund. Recently I spoke to someone who's raised $500 million and they're trying to raise a $75 million fund and they're halfway through and they're struggling. This is happening a lot. It's against the trend. If you're going to start a fund, if you really have to, if your partner's making you, just have it be an option so they can invest directly first 1 to 2, 3 times and then the fund, or they can choose the fund or the direct investment. You can always incentivize them with slightly better fees in the vehicle you'd prefer them to be in, or different share classes based on how much they invest. But I just want to encourage you to avoid this mistake of thinking the fund model is going to make everything better and everything easier. So hope you got some value from this video. If you're working in the investment management space or running an investment management firm, come check out our events at familyoffices.com if you want to learn more about our investor club community. Take care.